Maybe makes it home okay. Listen to what he said. Look at the light.
Hopefully there'll be a break in it or something. Mom! Mom! Look outside! Look outside!
Shit! This tornado one. This should be out.
That's a tree. A tree just fell
Oh
down.
my god, a tree just fell. A tree fell. A freaking tree fell. Where? Right out
Oh,
there.
on your fence.
Tell Chris to stay wherever he
A
is.
tree fell out. Don't go anywhere. Stay
Your fence is gone.
Stay as
Our fence is fucked up. Our fence is broken.
no.
This is broken.
I'm scared. What if my house is getting messed up?